New job? I don't know, or no job. I'm broke. Not really, but I will be very soon if I don't get something popping. Okay, so let's just talk about what I did. I quit my job at the restaurant. It's been a long time. It's been 5 years. I've been there. It was fun. I made a lot of money. I was able to save a lot. I was able to buy this car, do a lot of fun things. I just needed to get moving on my life and not really like drag my ass anymore. So, which is also like why I've dragged along with YouTube. I've gotten complacent into a cycle where you go and work Tuesday through Friday, and then you have fun on the weekends. Maybe I put a video out by Monday, rarely. And then after that, you kind of just go back into the Tuesday through Friday again. You forget about doing anything creative or like pushing yourself. At least I did. I forgot about like motivating myself and furthering myself in like my career path, like what I wanted to do. So a few reasons why I quit. Like, I know I wanted to get out of there. I was ready. I was done serving people. I didn't want to bring any more fucking iced teas or Diet Cokes to anybody. Stop asking me for shit. I was so mad to have to keep like delivering things to people. So that was the only like real bad thing about working as a server after a while. But beyond that, it was fun. I'm just ready to move on, ready to get going, make some better money, have more projects, be able to get my own spot, buy a truck, shit like that. So, no, I don't have anything else planned out as far as a career. I know what I'm thinking about doing is freelancing. And I know I can go make a few videos for real estate people, or like people that have like landscaping businesses. I got a friend that has a business that that came into the restaurant a lot. And he was thinking about talking to me about getting a drone and doing like aerial videos of the properties he has done work at. And I mean, that could turn into really good money, and it would leave me open with enough free time to still do stuff like this, which is really what I want to do. So I'm still figuring out career stuff. I know I can freelance to make some money. That's probably what I'll do. And on top of that, pretty much like what I was going to weasel in here too is I bought a drone and I bought a gimbal, because you guys are always bitching at me about stabilizing and stuff, and I know I have that glide cam. It's just that's too old now. It's not working for what I need. I need stuff that's really professional. So that my homie Spencer, his name is, you guys probably watch him on Instagram, Gimbal God. He shoots all those super sick snowboarding videos. He runs around with Stale. He's got some really dope content that I wish I could produce, and I've already asked him for tips like when he shot with his GoPro and stuff. So I bought his package. I bought what he has. He said he had extra stuff pretty much, so I pretty much bought his drone, his Phantom 4 Pro, and then I bought his Whatup A2000, I think, that gimbal, which is what he uses on his GH5. So I have a GH4. It's perfect. It'll match right up. It'll be good for stabilizing, doing rolling stuff, actually getting good video shots of cars. And then I can also transfer that into doing my own property, like real estate work, if I wanted to like make some money on the side, or like actually have some funds to do stuff too. So instead of like being jobless. So yeah, I'm gonna try and do this YouTube thing, man. I'm gonna go and attack for it. I don't have any more projects right now. If I get a truck, I'll do the typical like diesel stuff, delete it, tune it, wheels, whatever, make it nice, you know. Beyond that, I mean, we've kind of been enjoying summer, going on my buddy's boat, kicking back. If you guys want me to do like daily stuff and just like kind of like record on the fly and not so much always have automotive stuff, I'll do that. But I don't know how much. One, I don't know how many views it's gonna bring in. Two, like I don't know how interesting all my stuff is. Like I know you guys say I'm interesting, but I don't see that. So like you guys are the audience. So you guys gotta tell me what you want to see, and I can go forth and produce that. Next week I'm going to Scott's shop, and we're gonna put. I promise you, we're putting Dyno. We're swapping out the transmissions. I'm giving his back, and he's putting my new one in. We'll fix the ignition coils. If I can figure out my pump thing and make power, we're going to fucking turn the boost up. I'm going to make some serious power. I'm hoping I max out that turbo. Hopefully change my oil drain on the turbo so I don't blow that. And then just kind of go from there. And like, so then this project will pretty much be done if I can knock this all out next week in like those 4 or 5 days. After that, once I have the drone and the gimbal, I'm going to shoot Peruse's feature on his SC300. I'll do my own feature on my car too, like a full like review type feature. And then I can start producing like some really sick videos. I'm slacking on that. I'm just talking to the camera a lot, and I don't want to do that. I know this is lengthy. I know this is part of the video, but I want you guys to like know These are all the updates. This is what's coming. I'm trying to make this shit happen. I want to be a fucking YouTube star. I really fucking do, dude. I want to be able to have my own auto shop and film and just kick ass and do that. So if you guys can support me, fucking do it. Whatever we can do. I don't know how to, like, I know I need to do t-shirts and merch. YouTube released a section where we can offer the t-shirts and the stickers right below our videos. It's just a lot. The cost is a lot. Whereas, like, I can get t-shirts made for like $3 per shirt and get 50 of them. These ones are made to order, and it's like $10 for me to buy, and like I'll probably sell them to you guys for like, I don't know, 20, 25. What do you think is fair? Then I make $15 on a shirt, and I can keep funding up more stuff. Like, what do you guys think is fair? You let me know. I'm pumped. I'm excited. Let's fucking do this.